Hi Sam, good morning. Good to see you.
Hi Nick, good to see you too.
Well, Sam, you speak English very well.
Thanks a lot.
Well, I wanted to learn spoken English. Could you please help me to learn?
Sure, you are my friend and definitely I'll just love to make you learn English. Well, well Nick, let me tell you some sentences of daily use.
Sure, I am ready.
Well, see, today I'll tell you sentences used in daily life of instruction and order. See, listen carefully and repeat them at your home. Now I am starting from the first sentence. When we order someone that you go for some work या कि तुम ही जाओ, then you have to say go yourself. तैयार रहना, be ready. दिया जलाना, light the lamp. बिजली जला दो, switch on the light. पंखा चला दो, switch on the fan. See Sam, these are the very small sentences used in daily life but very important. So listen carefully. किसी को भेजकर उसे बुलाओ, send for him. इन लोगों को अपना काम करने दो, let these people do their work. किसी को भेजकर उसे बुलाओ, send for him. हाथ धो, wash your hands. जल्दी आओ, come soon. गाड़ी रोको, stop the car. वापस जाओ, go back. और you can say don't be late. पेंसिल से मत लिखो, don't write with a pencil. दूसरों की नकल ना करो, don't copy others. कोई किराए की मोटर कार लो, hire a taxi. कोट के बटन बंद करो, button up your coat. आग बुझने न देना, keep the fire going. घोड़े को घास डाल दो, feed the horse with grass. मुझे खबर देना मत भूलना, don't forget to inform me. बूट के तस्मे कस कर बांधो, tighten your shoe laces. स्वास्थ्य को बिगाड़ कर मत पढ़ो, don't study at the cost of your health. विस्तार के साथ चिट्ठी लिखो, write a detailed letter. भविष्य में ऐसा मत करना, don't do so in future. तुम खुद चिट्ठी डाल कर आओ, post this letter yourself. समय का पालन करो, be punctual. इधर उधर की बातें ना करो, don't beat about the bush. फूल मत तोड़ो, don't pluck the flowers. खराब आदतें छोड़ दो, give up bad habits. खाना अच्छी तरह चबाकर खाओ, chew your food well. दांतों को ब्रश कर लो, brush your teeth. बक बक ना करो, don't chatter or you can say don't talk nonsense. प्रत्येक वस्तु क्रम से रखो, arrange everything in order or you can say keep everything in order. स्याही से लिखो, write in ink. मूर्ख मत बनो, don't be silly. मेहमानों की सेवा करो, look after the guests. अपने कार्य में ध्यान दो, mind your own business. दोनों हाथों से पकड़े रहो, hold with both hands. देश सेवा में जान दे दो, sacrifice your life for the motherland. काम में रुकावट मत डालो। डोंट होल्ड अप द वर्क। बुरी आदतों से सावधान रहना चाहिए। बी केयरफुल अगेंस्ट बैड हैबिट्स। कंप्यूटर रीसेट करो। रीसेट द कंप्यूटर। इस रेजगारी को रखो। कीप द चेंज। Well, Nick, I think these sentences are very easy to you and you can practice them very well. And let me tell you some more sentences regarding encouragement, because encouragement प्रोत्साहन बहुत ही important होता है. So let's start our first sentence. विश्वास रखिए. Rest assured. बच्चों की तरह मत रो. Don't cry like children. तुम्हें चिंता किस बात की है? What's bothering you? मेरी चिंता ना करो. Don't worry about me. डरो मत. Don't be scared. फिक्र की कोई बात नहीं है. There is no need to worry. मुझे इसकी परवाह नहीं. I am not bothered about it. कोई कठिनाई हो तो पूछिए. You can ask me if there is any difficulty. जिस चीज की जरूरत पड़े वह ले जाना. Take whatever you need. आप फिजूल परेशान हो रहे हैं. You are unnecessarily worried. मुझे आप पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. हिचकिचाओ नहीं. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. कोई हर्ज नहीं. It doesn't matter. Well, Nick, let me tell you one more lesson. After that, we will complete. This would be enough for you. Let's start our first sentence. बड़े अफसोस की बात है. It's a pity. Or you can say, it's very sad. उसे सांत्वना दो. Console him. Console him. संसार का कुछ ऐसा ही नियम है. That's the way things are. ईश्वर की यही इच्छा थी. It was God's will. जिस कष्ट का इलाज नहीं हो सकता उसे सहना ही पड़ता है. What cannot be cured must be endured. ईश्वर पर भरोसा रखो. संकट टल जाएगा. Have faith in God. Misfortune will pass. ईश्वर तुम्हें इस गहरे धक्के को सहन करने की शक्ति दे. May God give you strength to bear this terrible blow. हम अपनी संवेदना प्रकट करते हैं. We offer our condolences. हम उसके पिता के देहांत पर दुखी हैं. We are deeply grieved at the death of the father. We are deeply grieved at the death of her father. Well, Nick, it was all about today. I'll see you next day and tell you some very interesting lessons, and you will learn English definitely in a very simple way. So it was good to see you and have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Well, Sam, it was awesome and very simple to learn with you. I'd love to learn from you tomorrow. See you. Bye. Have a nice day.